Hello everyone, this is a quick demo on how we can create an item master and item register report in iQ-Metallika ERP software. So for this you need to open up your Google browser and type in a URL here, which is login.iQ-Metallika. You can see login.iqmetallika.com. Once you log in, you can see our login home page. Now every user of iQ-Metallika has their own unique login ID and password, which is given by admin department to you. You need to type in that ID and password here. After that, just select enter button to select the company. Press enter button to select the site, the year and the module. Here we'll select stock control and then press OK. So this is our home page for the stock control. Now when I move to the upper left hand side of the screen, we can see masters here. Once I click the master, we can see item detail. In the item detail, we have item master, item category and item group. So we select item master and create an item master. So whenever you are going to enter new data into iQ-Metallika system, we need to enter into the insertion mode, because without pressing insertion mode button, you would not be able to save our data into iQ-Metallika system. So insertion mode button can be found on the upper left hand side of the screen with the green color cross on it. This is insertion mode button. You can see when I click this button, my form is highlighted now and I am able to save my data. So we need to enter the name of the item which we are going to create. So let's say it's billet. The category, you need to define the category here. Let's say category is billet. Now the actual name. So let's say the actual name is also billet, right? Now the unit of measurement, and unit of measurement would be metric tons. Now you can skip this rating, reference code, group, subgroup, but if you want to enter, you can enter it. Now the size detail. So let's say it's this, and you can skip this target weight and weight per inch. Yes, we want to add more records, and these are this. Now no. And again we need to select the quality. So quality here is standard. We must say quality here is standard. So we need to select standard here. Now no, we don't want to. Now we need to select the account. So we should understand that we should select account very carefully, because account is something which reflects everywhere. Account we select here would reflect in finance, would be reflect in other modules also. Account master is something which is interrelated with many transactions, so we should select appropriate account here. So let's say it's sales. It's for sales. MS billets. Okay. And another account would be pure MS billets. Alright. And no, we don't want to add more records, so you can add the appropriate details of the item. And next part is to save a record. So just click enter, and system would ask, do you want to save record, and we'll say yes. And now my record is saved. So this is how you can create an item master. Now we will exit. You can see this yellow button which is just next to this help button. So we click this and we'll exit from this form and came back to the home page. Now we will create an item report, item master report, or item register report we can say. So you can see reports here. When I click reports, the first one is item register. So I click this and my item register would open up. Now we'll select the category here. So let's say the category is billet. Now and this item is rolling. But below we have three options: item opening balance, category and group wise, and the category wise. So let's say the first is the category wise, and next step is to generate a report. So when we move to the upside, we can see a magnifying glass over here on the left hand side. This is preview button, and when we click preview button, my report is generated. So my report is generated when I click this, and now we can see our reports. So this is list of item category wise. You can see MS billet slab, MS billet billet, size, quantity, quality, all the forms here. Okay, so we move backward, and again let's talk about item opening balance and search for this. So came here, press the preview button and we'll get a report. So this is MS Billet with the opening balance. Right, now let's change. So we'll select you can select finished goods TMT. Let's search for this item. Is there any report? So we'll go for the preview and report is generating. So yes, there are. You can see the TMT bars, the sizes, the qualities. Alright, so this is the report, list of items category wise, and the upper one is also list of item category wise. This is finished good TMT. Alright, you can see this is item category finished goods. So this is how you can create an item master report. Alright, we'll go back and we can exit from here, which is just next to the calculator. And yes, we want to exit and we can log out from here. So this is very simple to create an item master and to generate a report for the same. Hope this video will help you.